is Mary Joy Berecto, and together with my group mates, we're gonna present the case study of Santa Cruz bicycles. Bicycles enthusiasts not only love the ride their bikes provide, but they also are often willing to pay for newer technology, especially when it will increase their speed or comfort. Innovating new technologies for bikes is only half the battle for bike manufacturers. Designing the process to manufacture the bikes is often the more daunting challenge. Consider the case of Santa Cruz bicycles. It digitally designs and builds mountain bikes and tests them under the most extreme conditions to bring the best possible product to their customers. A few years back, the company designed and patented the virtual pivot point, or the VPP suspension system, a means to absorb the shocks that mountain bikers encounter when on the rough terrain of the road ride. One feature of the new design allowed the rear wheel to bounce 10 inches without hitting the frame or seat, providing shock absorption without feeling like the rider was sitting on a cold spring. The first few prototypes did not work well. In one case, the BPP joint's upper link snapped after a quick jump. The experience was motivation for a complete overhaul of the design and engineering process to find a way to go from design to prototype faster. The 25% company adopted a similar system used by large global manufacturers, Product Life Cycle Management, or PLM software. The research and development team had been using computer-aided design, or CAD software, but it took 7 months to develop a new design. And if the design failed, starting over was the only solution. This was not only a drain on the company's time, but also on finances. The design team found a PLM system that helped them analyze and model capabilities in much more robust manner. The team uses simulation capabilities to watch the impact of the new designs. On rough mountain terrain, the software tracks all the variables the designers and engineers need so they can quickly and easily make adjustments to the design. The new system allows them to run a simulation in a few minutes, which is a very large improvement over their previous design software, which took 7 hours to run simulation. The software was just one component of the new process design. The company also hired a new master frame builder to build and test prototypes in-house, and they invested in a van-sized machine that can fabricate intricate parts for their prototypes, a process they used to outsource. The result was a significant decrease in their design to prototype process. What used to average about 28 months from start of design to shipping of the new bike now takes 12 to 14 months.
Good day, sir and classmates. I'm Sheila Kepilaton and I'm tackled the abstract of the case. The bicycle lovers are willing to pay for the enhancement of their unit. Upgrading the bicycle is not so difficult for the manufacturer. The challenging part for them is about designing process. The Santa Cruz bicycles designs and builds into the most extreme conditions the virtual pivot point or VPP. Suspension systems absorb the shock in which the riders would feel like was sitting on a coiled spring. However, the first prototype did not work well. Computer-aided design or CAD software has been used by the researcher and development team, but it took 7 months to develop a new design. If it will be failed, the solution is to start over. It drains the company's time and also on the finances. Furthermore, product life cycle management was found by the design team that helped them analyze and model capabilities in a much more well manner.
My name is Maricho Opelia. The problem of Santa Cruz bicycle case is failed to the first prototypes that they've applied, which is the virtual pivot point or the VPP suspension system. It happens to the VPP joint's upper link snap after a quick jump. So there are 3 alternative courses of action. First is they should focus to the system that could assure the company's benefits as well as to the customer's beneficial. Second, implementation of PLM or known as product lifecycle software for the better improvements and less financial expenses. And last is the company must manage the product efficiently as possible.
And as for the conclusion, the Santa Cruz bicycles should make sure that the software that they use is fully aligned to their business. The company need to be certain what the product life cycle system so that they will be able to upgrade their product quickly or even more in advanced technology. Therefore, the software was one way of maintain effectiveness in the company's design process. Adapting change management process is a structured approach for ensuring that changes are thoroughly and smoothly implemented and that the benefits of change are achieved in the company's design process. And so that would be all for our case study of Santa Cruz bicycles. Thank you and God bless.